Are you tired of switching tabs to communicate? Communication can slow down productivity. Introducing Textline's Chrome Extension, the game changer for business messaging. Text messaging is the quickest way to connect with customers and team members. With our Chrome extension, you can send and receive texts without interruptions. Respond faster and more efficiently than ever before. You'll enjoy seamless work with these 3 key benefits. 1. Manage all conversations from any website without losing focus. 2. Utilize powerful features like reminders, templates, and attachments. 3. Keep sensitive information safe with our HIPAA compliance. What sets us apart? Unlike other messaging tools, Textline's extension integrates directly with your browser. This means no extra tabs and immediate access to your conversations. Ready to enhance your communication? Start your free 14-day trial of Textline today. Install the Chrome extension with a few simple clicks and take your business messaging to the next level. Don't wait, sign up now.